we'll be looking at kinetics and radioactive disintegration. Okay, from an experiment done by Ernest Rutherford and a man called Soddy, they were able to find out that radioactivity follows a first order kinetics. Okay, so mathematically, radioactivity for kinetics for radioactivity is given as n is equal to n naught exponential minus lambda dt. Okay, so this expression is the same thing as saying that lambda is equal to 2.303 all over t is equal to log NO all over what? N. Okay, so this equation is what we call the integrated okay, this is the radioactive equation. Okay, this is the kinetics of the radioactive equation. Okay, so this is of course, this we call it what? Decay constant. Okay, this is the decay constant. Why? This is the time. Okay, let's look at NO. NO is the original amount, okay, before the decay. Okay, then N is the final amount after decay. Okay, after decay. Okay, at a time which is t. Okay, so why t is the time taken for n naught to go to what? N. Okay, this is the time taken for n naught to go to what? The original amount to decay to what? The final amount. Okay, so now recall that this decay constant is equal to ln 2 over what? T half. Okay, which is the same thing. Decay constant is equal to natural log of 2 is 0.693 over T half. Okay, so if this is equal to this, so let's call this equation 2. Let's call this equation 1. If this is equal to this, it means that we can remove this and substitute this right here, so that we can have that 0.693 all over T half is equal to everything here, which is 2.303 over T. Okay, this multiplication, please, this multiplication, not times, multiplication. Okay, so times log NO over what? N. So this equation can also be used to evaluate any parameter we are looking for. Let's say we are looking for half-life. Okay, we can use this equation. If we are looking for decay constant, we can also use this equation here to solve. Okay, so this same equation you are seeing here can be rewritten in a different format. Okay, this equation you are seeing here can be rewritten in a different format. So I can have that log NO minus log N is equal to 0.693 T all over 2.303 T half. So this is another form. So what you're seeing here, these two are the same thing. What I did is that I just made these guys, I just brought these guys to this side by of course this division becomes minus, right? So I have this, which is equal to putting everything here to this side and taking everything into this one. I have this. So this equation is equation we got from what? Kinetics of what? A first order reaction for a radioactive equation. So I'm going to use this equation to solve multiple problems so you can be able to see how we can use it to solve problems depending on what you are looking for.